You've probably seen license plates on the road you can barely read because they're peeling and fading. You may even have them on your vehicle.
By law, you're supposed to have plates on your car that can be easily read. So if you need new plates, who should pay for them? Here's Pat Foran and Consumer Alert. Pat.
Nathan and Michelle, plates that are peeling have been a problem for years, and the government attempted to fix the issue with new blue plates, but had to scrap that change when they were hard to read. If your plates have faded, you could get a fine if you don't replace them.
They've clearly been replacing some plates for free, but now they're charging other people for them.
John Petrosoniak of North York has been keeping an eye on peeling, fading Ontario license plates for years. He says you can see them everywhere.
I've seen, bus plates, commercial plates, affinity plates, they're all failing. So, and yet I have old plates from the 1970s, and they're perfectly fine.
Petrosoniak has 2 sets of license plates that are also faded. He went to Service Ontario to have them replaced, but when he was told he would have to pay for replacement plates, he refused. Not long after, he got a $110 fine. The ticket was for entire plate not plainly visible. According to the Ontario government, Service Ontario will replace plates at no charge that are within the 5-year coverage period and are deemed to be delaminated or show premature wear and tear. The fee for new plates older than 5 years is $59, but Petrosoniak says if they have a defect, they should be replaced for free.
The regulation says that you may be charged a fee for lost, stolen, or damaged plates. Everybody acknowledges these aren't damaged plates. I'm bringing in 2 different plates, so they're neither lost nor stolen. So yes, replace those plates for free.
In New York State, if plates are peeling and fading, they are replaced free of charge. While waiting to fight his ticket in court, Petrosoniak painted the numbers and letters on his license plates so they're visible. But according to police, it's also an offense to modify a plate in any way, shape, or form. Petrosoniak believes drivers are not replacing faded plates because they don't want to pay for new ones, and he feels the government should allow people with peeled plates to get new ones at no charge. And a reminder, the Ontario government scrapped fees for license plate stickers, which will save drivers $120 a year. Those who paid for their stickers after March of 2020 will get a refund check, which will be mailed later this month and throughout April. On your side, I'm Pat Foran.
If you have a consumer story idea, email us at alert@ctv.ca.